So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, we are going to solve Code Forces round 1019 division 2. In this video, we are not sure how many problems we will cover, but whatever we do not cover, we will cover it in the next video and in the next session. Okay, so let's go to problem A. This time the problem A was relatively simple if you are able to understand the question. So they are saying that you are given an array of integers. You are given an array of integers. You can see that the size of the array will be maximum 100, right? Size of the array will be maximum 100, right? And all the numbers in the array will be from 1 to n, right? Right. Array is array x1 x2 xm is beautiful if there exists an array y2 ym such that the elements of y are distinct and the product of xi and yi is the same for all. So xi yi equal to xj yj. The task is to determine the maximum size of a subsequence of array A that is beautiful. Can you see how much they are just trying to confuse you in the language? Nothing else, okay? So the understanding is given an array A, find the size of largest subset. Given an array A, okay? Given an array A, please guys find the size of the largest subset. Size of the largest subset, which is beautiful. The subset you can assume it to be an array. Once you have this subset, guys, you can assume it to be an array. Okay, so that's all they are asking you, that tell me which is the largest subsequence which is beautiful. But the definition of beautiful is something else. So let's go to problem A. Let's say 3 1 2 3. So the array given to you is 1 2 3. What is the largest valid subset in it? So lovely student, largest valid subset is nothing but 1 2 3. Why? How do I know that this is beautiful or not? How do I know if this is beautiful or not? 1 2 3 is beautiful if and only if you can generate one more array of 3 elements. You have to generate one more array of 3 elements, guys, such that when you multiply the elements of both the arrays, all the multiplications are same. Like the another array which you can generate is 3 2 1 reverse. Why 1 2 3 is beautiful? Because if you generate another array 3 2 1, see, it is given our current selected numbers are beautiful only if you can create another array of distinct numbers. So I have created another array of distinct number 3 to 1. Now multiply all of them. See, the product will be same. 1 into 3. I have generated another array which has only distinct elements. Let's say I take the distinct elements as 632. Okay. Let's say I take the distinct elements as 632. Okay. 632. What will happen? 1 2 3 is good because you can generate another array of size 3 with all distinct numbers. If you multiply, see, the multiplication will be all same numbers. 3 into 2 6, 2 into 3 6, 1 into 6 6. So guys, all react with love emoji if they understand how to check if a sequence is good or not. जो भी तुम्हारा सीक्वेंस है ना भाई, सेम लेंथ का एक एरे जनरेट करो, ऐसा एरे कि जब सब मल्टीप्लाई करे तो सबका प्रोडक्ट सेम आए, और ये दूसरे एरे के अंदर सारे नंबर अलग होने चाहिए भाई, समझे बात को? Guys, right? Yes, sir. And is that if I give you any particular array, can you tell me that? Can you generate something such that it gives us a proper answer? For example, we know that whatever array I give you, if the size of the array is n, the numbers inside the array will be from 1 to n only, and this is really a good fact which makes the question a little bit easy. For example, let me take one more array for you. Let's say n equal to 4, and your array looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, your array looks like this. Guys, can you generate another array such that if you can generate another array, if you can generate other array, if you can generate other array, it means our array is good. So guys, if you can generate another array, na, it means our array is good. So guys, can you generate any another array such that when you multiply the numbers at the same index, the final answer is same? So guys, generate this array and start writing the answer in your respective pro groups. So I can easily know that you were able to generate an array. So guys, giving you some time, generate the array. I guys see 1 2 3 4 is good or not. 1 2 3 4 is only good if you can generate another array. If you can generate any another array such that when all the elements are multiplied at the same index, the final product is same. Guys, generate any another array such that when all the numbers are multiplied, the product is same. So the solution is like, I think it is pretty easy. This array will always have numbers from 1 to n only. It is given in the question constraint also. You can see 1 to n, right? 1 to n, right? So the constraint is pretty much clear to you. So you can just take LCM of 1 2 3 4, right? What it is? What is the largest number which can be divided by 4 as well as 3 as well as 2 as well as 1? So I think it is 12, right? 4 threes are 12. So let's try to make every guy's product 12. So this 1 into 12, 12, 2 into 6, 12, 3 into 4, 12, 4 into 3, 12. Guys, you are able to generate any another array. You are able to generate another array 12, 6, 4, 3. If you multiply all the numbers, see the output will be 12, 12. See, all the multiplications have become equal. You are able to generate another array with all distinct numbers. It means 1, 2, 3, 4 is a good array. 1 2 3 4 is a good array. 1 2 3 4 is a good array. Everyone react with love emojis if these basic things are clear to them, guys. Thank you, Yash Agarwal, for showing your focus. I really appreciate it. Okay. Thank you, Mukuddas. Okay, clear, guys. So I will give you like one more example. You guys this time have to tell by yourself. Okay. I give you this array. Everyone write in your pro group. You have to find first of all this is good or not. This is good. Why? Because you can generate another array of distinct numbers which when multiply all the multiplications will give the same answer. So guys, giving 1 minute to all of you, use your brain and start writing the answer in your particular groups given to you. Thank you, all the best. I am just trying to make the explanation clear, like how can you come up with this in the exam. You must be having some respective pro groups, right, of your program. So I just want you to write the answer there, guys. Okay. Yeah, good. Great job. Nice. Awesome. So the thing is that the answer is nothing but LCM of 1 2 3 4 5. What is the biggest number which can be divided by 1 2 3 4 5? Like I think 12 into 5, right? So 60, right? 60. I think 60 can be divided by all these numbers. Okay. So here I will write 60. 60 by 2 30. 60 by 3 20. 60 by 4 15. 4 are 60, and 60 by 5 5 12 are 60. Guys, multiply. See, the output will be 60 comma 60 comma 60 comma 60 comma 60. So guys, for any given array you are able to know if it is good or not. So if I give you a big array, how will you find a good subset? Let's say this is the array given to you. What is the good subset? Largest subset means pick up a subset which will have maximum number of elements. Pick up a subset which will have maximum number of elements. You can say, sir, 1244 is the best now. It has maximum number of elements. But guys, is it good? Is it good? Is 1244 good? React with emojis. क्या लगता है आपको 1244 good है क्या? Guys, react with emojis. What do you think? Why 1244 is not good, guys? Why 1244 is not good? What is the LCM? LCM is 4. So you will say this needs to be multiplied with 4. This needs to be multiplied with 2. This needs to be multiplied with 1. This needs to be multiplied with 1. So, sir, I can generate an array which will give all the same products. But guys, the new array generated should have all distinct elements. But guys, we have two fours. So two fours can only be generated by multiplying the same number, na? बट वी डोंट हैव डिस्टिंक्ट एलिमेंट्स हियर. हमको चाहिए कि जो भी आपने सबसेट चूज किया है ना, उसका जो आप करस्पॉन्डिंग एरे बना रहे हो ना, वो डिस्टिंक्ट होना चाहिए, उसका सारा नंबर डिस्टिंक्ट होना चाहिए. बट हो नहीं रहा है. मतलब इफ आवर सबसेट हैज रिपीटेड एलिमेंट्स, then it is not a good subset. Why? Because then the corresponding array generated of LCM, it will also have repeated elements. So guys, basically a good subset, as per video explanation, good subset is a subset with distinct elements. So guys, everyone react with emojis if they understand that a good subset is nothing but a subset with all distinct elements, right? Right? So guys, if I give you any array and they are asking you the largest subset, what will be the answer? What is the largest valid subset? What is the largest valid subset? Maximum number of distinct elements, 1 and 2, right? So you pick any one, you pick any two. Answer is 1 comma 2, and the size is 2. 2 is the answer. Why? Because only 1 comma 2, if you create the corresponding array 2 comma 1, the multiplications will output will be 2 comma 2, same multiplication answer, and the corresponding array has all distinct elements. But if you take any number other, like if you take, let's say, 1 2 1, then you are gone. Or let's say you take 1 1 2, then also you fail. Why? For 1 1 2, the corresponding array will be what? 2 2 1. And in the corresponding array, repeated elements have come, which is not allowed. See, it is written that your freaking corresponding array, your lovely corresponding array, should be distinct. But we are not able to achieve that fact. That's why it's common sense. So guys, what is the solution? Solution is travel the array, find the total number of distinct elements, which you can do using a hash map, right? Hash map will tell you the frequency of all the numbers in the array. The total number of keys in the hash map, the size of the hash map is the answer. So, hopefully you understood. Here how many distinct elements are there in the array? 3. 3 is the answer. How many distinct elements are there here? 1, 4, 5, 3. 4 distinct elements. One distinct element. Guys, just react with emojis in the entire meeting, so I know that you understood something or you did not understand something. Okay. Okay. So I hope the recorder is on. Yeah, recorder is on. Okay. So guys, see, in problem B now, what they are saying that we are giving you a string. What we are giving you? We are giving you a lovely string. We are giving you a lovely string. Trust me. It is a binary string of zeros and ones. It is a binary string of zeros and ones. You have to calculate the minimum cost of the string. Minimum cost of the string. So for each index you need 1 rupees, 1 rupee here, 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 and 1 rupee here. So total how many rupees? 6 rupees. So the cost of the string is nothing but the length of the string. This is what Codeforces is telling you to calculate. That given a string beta, you just tell me the cost of the string. So cost of the string is nothing but the length of the string, right? बट इतना इजी क्वेश्चन होता तो तुम लोग मेरे वीडियो में नहीं आते पढ़ने के लिए, तो कुछ और भी है इसके अंदर, अभी आपको पता चलेगा. So the cost of the string has one more component, the change factor. The change factor. Whenever you go from 0 to 1, na, 1 extra rupee is added. Whenever you go from 1 to 0, another extra rupee is added. So 2 extra rupees, 6 plus 2, 8. So guys, you can visualize it as blocks. Continuous blocks of 0, continuous blocks of 1. Like you can just run a simple for loop and find all the continuous indices of all the continuous blocks of zeros and ones. So if there are 3 blocks, then 2 rupees will be added. Why? Because 3 blocks will get changed 2 times, na? So guys, I give you any string, you have to tell me its cost now. Okay, it's not that easy. Tell me its cost right in your pro group. I will first make the blocks for you. How many blocks are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 costs are done. How many times you have to change? One time here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 15 rupees, guys. 15 rupees. So guys, like this, Codeforces can give you any string. Codeforces can give you any string, and you just need to, calculate the cost of it. Okay. You just need to calculate the cost of it. Okay. Clear? Okay, you're doing a great job, Yash Agarwal. Okay, you're doing a really great job. Now, listen to me very, very carefully. The next thing. Codeforces has made one more change. The change factor definition is also a little bit different. You know this, let's say the length is what, 8. You will say that, sir, change factor is 1, right? And you will write 8 plus 1, right? Yes, sir. Okay, good. But guys, there is a change now. If the first block is 1 block, what is the length? 6. You will say, sir, change factor 1. Sir, change factor 1. Sir, 112, sir. This is the wrong answer. Because when your string is starting with 1 now, you consider the imaginary position where the number does not exist. And one more change factor gets added. Basically, one cost will be added for the first block also. If the block starts with 1, you need to be very careful. नहीं तो लग जाएगी, रोना पड़ेगा. So beta ji, what I'm trying to say you is that you know how to calculate the cost. I also know. But if your block is starting with 1, now you need to add plus 1 in the final answer, baby. You got my point? You got my point? The change factor is always this, right? 1 to 0, then 0 to 1. But extra change factor is added. Extra change factor is added according to problem definition. If the string is starting with 1, समझ रहे हो ना? ये तो मैं इधर बैठ के इतना अच्छे से समझा रहा हूं. इसके अंदर ऐसा कुछ लिखा नहीं है कि समझ आए. सोचो आगे वालों का क्या हालत होता होगा पढ़ने के बाद. Code Forces question is easy only when Kumar Kesar is sitting and telling you the explanation of the question. I have realized in Code Forces, 50% full difficulty is all about understanding the question, man, and the test cases. Only 50% difficulty is in solving. If you go to another platforms like CodeChef, LeetCode, 100% difficulty is in solving only. There you don't have to force yourself so much to understand. बट अब यहाँ पर देख लो भाई, क्या क्या उठपटांग कुछ भी लिख के रखते हैं चोमू जैसा, समझ ही नहीं आए. जानबूझ का कंफ्यूज कर रहे हैं कि क्वेश्चन तो भारी बना नहीं सकते, तो लैंग्वेज ही चेंज कर देते हैं और क्या. So here also this is not clearly written here, but I am explaining you. If you read the English, then you will understand. So guys, I will give you one more string. You have to tell me its cost now. Everyone has to write its cost in the pro group given to you. I will give you a little help. 3, 4, 5. 5 is the length of the string. Plus change factor. Whenever 0 changing to 1, 1 changing to 0, change factor comes. What will be the extra change factor? Extra will be 0 because your block is starting from 0, then no extra. So 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 0, 8 guys. Okay, you understood this, right? Right? Okay. Make sure you write in the pro group so I know that you are doing it properly. Okay. Okay, Mukuddas. Let's change the question. Tell me the cost. Length of the string 5. Change factor. See the blocks getting changed one time. Second time block getting changed 2. Any extra will come this time? Yes, because the block is starting with 1. So 1 extra change factor. 7 plus 1, 8. Now I think everyone has understood how to calculate the cost of the string. For sure. I did not tell you guys, but I'm having very, very high fever today. Very high fever. I'm sneezing all the time. My temperature is more than 100 degrees Celsius. But I have still come here and I'm explaining you brilliantly. If I want, I could have taken a leave, but I'm not taking it. So you can understand that when your teacher is working so hard, you should also work hard. I am not in good position currently also as I'm speaking, but see the intensity of my voice. So learn from me, okay? कल का भी मेरा वीडियो चेक करोगे, पता चलेगा बार बार छींकने की आवाज आ रही थी. So anyways, now, so guys, you have understood how to calculate the cost of the string, right? You have understood how to calculate the cost of the string. React with love emoji. So guys, the question is basically telling you that cost of the string. Cost of the string. Now guys, the extra condition is that the code forces is asking you. कम नहीं, ये लोग फालतू का डराते रहते हैं. पहले तो ये इतना मेहनत कराया, अब बोल रहा है कि भाई ये ऐसा कोई भी स्ट्रिंग देंगे आपको. You can reverse any substring you want, baby. You can reverse. This is the string given to you. This is the string given to you. You know what is the cost? What is the cost? The cost is 8 plus change factor 3. Change factor is 3. 11. They are saying minimize this cost, make this cost minimum. So guys, people were not able to figure out. People were not able to figure out which subarray to reverse to minimize the cost. This is where people got stuck. सर मैं क्या रिवर्स करूं सर, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा सर, क्या रिवर्स करूं सर कि कॉस्ट कम हो जाए. वो बोल रहा है कॉस्ट कम करो, मुझे क्या पता. अरे तो भाई मेरी बात सुनो. समझो तुमको एक ब्लॉक को ही रिवर्स कर देते हो तो कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? 0 0 को रिवर्स करोगे तो क्या होगा? 0 0 ही आएगा ना, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. So the first observation is they are saying you can reverse any part of the string, but after reversal the cost should be minimum. Let's say I reverse this, then what will be the string looking like? 0 0 reverse is 0 0 only. So reversing any particular block is not a good idea. You should reverse multiple blocks. Let's say you try to reverse 0 0 1. Now what will happen? Earlier how many blocks were there? 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block. After reversal how many blocks you have? 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block, 5 block. Guys, for the cost of the string to reduce, what do you think? We should have high number of blocks in the final string or low number of blocks? भगवान ने तुमको दिमाग दिया है, आंसर लिखो प्रो ग्रुप के अंदर. अगर मैं तुमको कोई भी स्ट्रिंग दूं, उसमें ऐसा कम ब्लॉक्स रहता है तो अच्छा लगता है कि बहुत ज्यादा ब्लॉक्स रहता है तो अच्छा लगता है? फीलिंग तुमको अंदर से आनी चाहिए. भगवान ने दिया है फीलिंग, दिमाग भी दिया है. लिखो प्रो ग्रुप में. After the operation is done, after any substring is selected and reversed, should the number of blocks increase or decrease, guys? अगर ब्लॉक्स कम होते हैं तो चेंज फैक्टर एक ही आता है. ब्लॉक्स बढ़ाओगे तो चेंज फैक्टर बढ़ जाएगा, तो टोटल कॉस्ट बढ़ जाएगा ना. हमको तो टोटल कॉस्ट कम करना है. So guys, you have to reverse a string such that the number of blocks is minimized. This is the first greedy observation. That choose everything in such a manner so that the number of blocks is minimized, guys. This is not a correct way to do this, because by reversing the 0 0 1 you are getting 5 number of blocks, means plus 4 factor will come, like a higher factor will come than before, and 1 is at the start. This is even horrendous. Okay, so guys, now the thing is that, yeah, always respect your parents and listen to your mother and father, very important. Ram ram. Now see, I'm having such high fever, then also I'm taking your session. Learn from me. Always daily working hard. Now, listen to me. How can you minimize the number of blocks? You have to minimize the number of blocks. That is the greedy observation. अरे दिखती बात है, इसमें कितने ब्लॉक है भाई? सर इसमें 4 ब्लॉक है. समझो हार्ट के अंदर 4 ब्लॉकेज है. कितने ब्लॉकेज है? 4 ब्लॉकेज है. अब तुम बोल रहे हो कि सर इसको रिवर्स कर दो. सर इसको रिवर्स करने से एक ऐसी स्ट्रिंग आएगी जिसके अंदर 5 ब्लॉकेज है. अरे ये तो गंदी बात है. ब्लॉकेज बढ़ाने का नहीं है. जितना ब्लॉकेज बढ़ाओगे उतना एक्स्ट्रा फैक्टर बढ़ेगा. कॉस्ट ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग है क्या? लेंथ ऑफ द स्ट्रिंग प्लस एक्स्ट्रा फैक्टर. लेंथ तो कांस्टेंट है, लेंथ तो उतनी रहनी है. ब्लॉक बढ़ाओगे तो एक्स्ट्रा फैक्टर बढ़ जाएगा ना चाचा जी. सो यू कैनॉट इंक्रीज द नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स. अब ये सोचो कि ये ब्लॉक्स को कम कैसे कर सकते हैं. Let's say this is the indices of the string. Tell me guys, which substring will you reverse to minimize the number of blocks? नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स एकदम कम करने गाइस, एकदम कम. कौन सी स्ट्रिंग को घुमाऊं? लिखो अपने प्रो ग्रुप के अंदर. ये क्वेश्चन देख के एक झटके में फीलिंग आ गई थी. नो मैटर एनी स्ट्रिंग, ऑल स्ट्रिंग्स विल लुक लाइक दिस ओनली. फर्स्ट देयर विल बी जीरोस, then there will be 1, then there will be 0, then there will be 1, like this. You can reverse any one substring for only one time. किसको घुमाओगे कि ब्लॉक कम हो जाए? इसके अंदर 4 ब्लॉक है ना, इसको मैं 2 ब्लॉक में कन्वर्ट कर सकता हूं. अरे ये रिवर्स कर दो ना, तो ये 0 इधर आ जाएगा, ये 1 इधर आ जाएगा. आई विल सिलेक्ट 3 2 6 एंड रिवर्स इट. रिवर्स 3 2 6 क्या हो जाएगा? रिवर्स 3 2 6 क्या हो जाएगा? 0 0 और ये 0 0 इधर, ये 1 1 उधर. Oh wow sir, only 2 blocks. Wow wow wow. Oh my god, oh my god. Now the cost is total length plus the number of blocks. 2 blocks are there, change factor will be 1. Wow, that's it guys, that's it. That's the solution to your whole problem. You have to smartly minimize the number of blocks. Okay, okay, this much is clear. So in your pro group, Irshad, tell me what will be the final cost of this string if you reverse properly. 1 2 3, first 4 zeros, and then it will be like 8 plus 1, right Irshad? 3 2, yeah, you guys got it, you guys got it. Okay, fine. Okay, good. Okay, great. Nice. Great. Okay, awesome. So guys, I give you any string. In one operation, how many blocks can you decrease? That is the main observation, and then the whole problem is freaking solved. I give you any string. You can like draw like this in the exam. Let's say I give you any freaking string, guys. Everyone react with love emojis if they agree that all the string will look like this only. There will be some 0 blocks, then one blocks. Block means all the numbers are same. Then in the binary string there will be some 0 blocks, then 1 blocks, then 0 blocks, then 1 blocks. जो भी string है वो ऐसी दिखेगी ना. बाकी कोई बाहर की गैलेक्सी से तो उड़ के आएगा नहीं. जो भी स्ट्रिंग है ऐसे ही दिखेगा ना. मानते हो कि नहीं मानते हो कि पहले कुछ 0 आएंगे सर, फिर कुछ 1 आएंगे, फिर कुछ 0 आएंगे, फिर कुछ 1 आएंगे, फिर कुछ 0 आएंगे, फिर कुछ 1 आएंगे, राइट? So guys, can you anyone tell me that what operation can you do in one operation of substring reversal? How much you can reduce the number of blocks? The number of blocks can be reduced to which number? Currently इसके अंदर कितने blocks है? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Guys, there are 6 blocks. If I optimally choose a substring and reverse it only for one time, what will be the new number of blocks? You can see the pattern. 6 ब्लॉक्स है, अपना पूरा दिमाग लगा दो, सबसे बेस्ट सबस्ट्रिंग निकालो. रिवर्स करोगे तो कितने ब्लॉक रह जाएंगे? लिखो अपने अपने प्रो ग्रुप में इसका आंसर. इफ लेट्स से देयर आर 6 ब्लॉक्स ब्रो, you are allowed to choose any one substring and reverse it one time. What will be the final number of minimum blocks? Let's see what the students have written in the pro group. Really wanting to look at your answer. Wrong. Yash Agarwal. Yes. It will be 4 blocks. Why? You always have to take the second block and third block and reverse it. This is the first block. In one operation, you just take the second block, third block, reverse it. This 0 0 will come here, and this 1 1 will come here. So this reduces 1 block, and this reduces 1 block. Always blocks will be reduced by 2 only. This is the biggest observation. If your string has if your string has greater than equal to 4 blocks, reduce it by 2. This is the answer. So guys, we have solved the problem. Guys, give congratulations to yourself. This is actually the solution. What is the solution? If your string starts with 0 and has greater than equal to 4 blocks, answer is length of string plus blocks minus 2. Why am I doing blocks minus 2? Let's try to learn it from this example. Earlier, what was the cost? 8 plus the number of 1, 2, 3. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, right? It changed one time, then second time, then third time, right? Yeah. Now, if you reverse it smartly, what it will be, baby? Tell me, students, you know, right? It will be just 8 plus, you know, you just have to change one time now, right? So, guys, the total length of the string plus the total whatever is the number of blocks. Now, in our case, what is the blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 blocks. So the final effect is coming that you have to do 4 minus 3, not just 2. Yes, the number of blocks have become 2. Number of blocks have reduced by 2. But because it is starting with 0, the 2 blocks give only plus 1 change factor. Na? So total decrease of 3. If there are 4 blocks, you have to reduce by 3. Okay. So plus blocks minus 3. Okay. Plus blocks minus 3. Okay. Clear? Everyone react with love emoji if everything is clear that अगर there are 4 से ज्यादा blocks है और 0 से चालू हो रहा है तो जो भी लेंथ थी स्ट्रिंग की टोटल नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स में 3 माइनस कर दो, वही तुम्हारा आंसर है, क्योंकि 2 ब्लॉक तो ऐसे ही कम हो जाएंगे और 0 से चालू हो रहा था तो एक एक्स्ट्रा एक चेंज फैक्टर और कम हो जाएगा, तो -2 -1 -3. क्लियर? क्लियर गाइस? बट गाइस व्हाट इफ द स्ट्रिंग इज स्टार्टिंग विद 1? What if your lovely string is starting with 1, baby? What will you do? Will you cry? No, you're a Kumar K student. Think about it. Guys, write in your book. Like, just think what is... like, it is similar only to previous case. Nothing out of the ordinary, actually. Think about it. You can do it as a Kumar K student. Cost is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus... plus 4, because now extra change factor will be added when the starting number is 1. You remember that, na? 8 plus 4 is the answer. Now you have to reverse something smartly. There are multiple options. You might think that, sir, can I bring 0 at the start? If you bring 0 at the start, what can happen? Let's see. How many blocks are there? 1 block? 2 block? Guys, there were 1, 2, 3, 4 block. Only able to reduce by 1. That is not a good thing. तो जब भी तुम 0 को आगे लाने का कोशिश करोगे ना, ब्लॉक सिर्फ 1 से ही कम हो पाएगा. Block will decrease by 1 only if you try to bring 0 at the start. If the string is starting with 1 and you try to bring 0 at the start, now it can only decrease by 1. लाइक तुम चाहो तो पूरा भी रिवर्स कर सकते हो, पूरा भी रिवर्स कर सकते हो। ओके, डज नॉट मैटर, डज नॉट मैटर। ओके, you can just reverse the whole string and then the things will be same as before, right? If the string is starting with 1, you can just reverse the string, right? That will minimize the answer. Guys, what do you think about this? अगर स्ट्रिंग तुम्हारी 1 से चालू हो रही तो रिवर्स कर लो ना, 0 वाला था और मिनिमम आंसर देने वाला था, राइट? बट दैट इज नॉट फुल्ली करेक्ट बिकॉज वंस द रिवर्सल इज डन यू कैन नॉट डू एनी मोर ऑपरेशन। ज्यादा होशियार मत बनना, कोई कोई बच्चा बोल सकता सर पूरा स्ट्रिंग ही उल्टा कर दो। हाँ, तो अब तो तुम फंस गए ना बेटा, अब तुम और कुछ नहीं कर सकते। अब जो इसका कॉस्ट है वही होगा 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 प्लस द नंबर ऑफ चेंजेस 1 2 3, 8 + 3। तो तुमने एक ही कॉस्ट कम कर पाया, ये इसका कॉस्ट था 8 + 4। वाई 8 + 4? बिकॉज +1 एक्स्ट्रा चेंज फैक्टर। सो गाइज द ऑब्जर्वेशन इज दैट इफ द स्ट्रिंग इज स्टार्टिंग विद 1 ना, after optimally selecting a substring for reversal, again at the start there should be one only. If you want to reduce the blocks by a big number 2, तो 0 को आगे मत लाओ, 1 को ही आगे रहने दो, क्योंकि 0 को जब भी आगे लाओगे, देखो मैं तुमको बता देता हूं ऐसा क्यों है। समझो ये तुम्हारी स्ट्रिंग है, तुम अगर 0 को आगे लाओगे तो इसको रिवर्स करना पड़ेगा ना, जब भी इसको रिवर्स करोगे लोचे ही होंगे, देख लेना 0 1 0 1 1 0। पहले कितने ब्लॉक थे? 1 2 3 4 5 6। अभी कितने? 1 2 3 4 5। अरे ब्लॉक सिर्फ एक से घट रहा है, मेरे को 2 से घटाना है ना ब्लॉक, ताकि मिनिमम होए। भले एक से भी घटाओगे तो भी चल जाएगा इस क्वेश्चन में, बट ठीक है, क्योंकि एक से घटाने के बाद जो 0 वाला आ रहा है उसका एक्स्ट्रा चेंज फैक्टर ऐड नहीं होने वाला। बट एनीवेज लेट्स फोकस ऑन मिनिमाइजिंग द नंबर ऑफ ब्लॉक्स। सो -2 you want, then the only way is second block and third block reversal, and it will be 1 1. Guys, the blocks have been decreased by 2. So what will be the answer? Length of the string plus blocks -2. This time not blocks -3. Why? Because this time the answer will be 8 plus not 1. एक एक्स्ट्रा चेंज फैक्टर है बट 1 से चालू हो रहा है तो +1 और एक आ जाएगा, 8 + 2. So if it's starting with 1, guys, what is the answer? Same as before, but instead of blocks -3, instead of block -3 you will do block -2. Okay, everyone react with love emoji if you understood that, guys. If a string starts with 0, if your block starts with 1 and has greater than equal to 4 blocks, ram ram. So guys, we have solved for everything. Now which case is left? That's what I wanted to discuss with you. One case which is left is we have solved the problem for greater than equal to 4 blocks. What if there is only single block? मैनुअली कैलकुलेट यार, ये नहीं कर सकते क्या तुम? Guys, what will you do if there is a single block? React with laughing emoji if you know this answer. ये भी बताने की कोई जरूरत है क्या? सब 0 है सब 1 है, नहीं कर पाओगे? Guys, you have solved the problem for greater than equal to 4 blocks. Now let's try the small cases now. Let's say 1 block. 0 0 0 0 0. What is the answer? Array length of the string. That's it. No change factor. Let's say in one block there is all ones. What is the answer? Length of the string plus 1. Why? Whenever it's starting with 1, you add a 1 plus extra change factor, na? So if all are 1, then L plus 1. And if all are 0, L is the answer. Let's try to solve for 2 blocks, baby. Answer is nothing but L plus 1. Because there is one change factor only. For 2 blocks, answer is L plus 1. What if it was starting with 1 1 0 0? Just reverse the whole string. It will become 0 0 1 1, L plus 1 again. React with love emoji if you understand the answer for 2 blocks also, guys. Such a nice problem, right? Answer is always, no matter how you reverse or you don't reverse, it is not necessary to reverse. If you want, you can select and reverse. Okay, at most one substring. Okay, so for two blocks, answer is L plus 1. Single block is just L or L plus 1 depending on the number 0 or 1. Guys, three blocks. Guys, before ending this session, I want to give you a chance to yourself think the answer for three blocks. Everyone start writing in your pro group. What do you think? What will be the answer for three blocks? खुद ही सोचो थोड़ा सा. एक वेरिएशन क्या हो सकता है? Some zeros in the first block. Zero block, one block, zero block. Answer will be length plus what is the change factor, baby? Plus 1. L plus 2. But no, 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 no. We can get a better answer. Reverse this now. Zero block. So 0, 0 together. Only one change factor. L plus 1. If the blocks are 0, 1, 0, answer is L plus 1 after reversal. And what if the blocks are 1 and 0 and 1? Even then the answer is L plus 1. Why? Reverse the first two. And it will become 0. 1 0. Can you see how interesting the problem is? सब घूम फिर के 0 1 0 बन सकता है और 0 1 0 हमेशा बन सकता है 0 0 1 तो L plus 1. React with love emoji if you see how brilliant this problem is. You just need to solve some cases. So 3 plus 3 blocks also L plus 1. Solve. Right if else cases. Calculate the blocks. Single block, you know the answer. Double or triple block L plus 1. Greater than equal to 4 blocks but starting with 0. This is the formula. This is the formula. Done. Solved. So code force A also done, B also done. If you do till here, you can become a specialist in today's round. Okay, till B only. Now.